Hey planner people, it's Tay of Shantae Plans and welcome back to another monthly kit lineup video. This is going to be my kit lineup for the month of May and it starts with my dashboard spread. I'm actually going to be using my collaboration kit with Paper Trail Plans. This is the Juneteenth kit that we created, and even though Juneteenth is not until June, which is when I'll be using the actual kit, the images are also very Western themed and really super adorable. And so I have the journaling kit. And so this is, wait, that's page 1. Here we go. Page 1 and page 2 of the journaling kit, which I thought would make a really gorgeous dashboard spread. And I was way too excited to wait all the way until June to start using this kit because I'm in love with it. It's so beautiful and I love the florals. I love the whole Western theme. And I thought this would be gorgeous for my May dashboard. So I've got the journaling kit, the floral deco add-on, and then the clip art deco add-on as well. And I think that all three of these together is going to come together and look really, really cute. I am thinking I'm going to pair this with gold foil. This is so interesting because the kit is gold foiled, but the journaling kit doesn't have any foil on it. So if I wanted to like mix this up and try a different foil with it, I could. But I still feel like gold is like the best foil to pair with this. So it's probably going to end up being gold. We'll see what happens when I actually sit down to plan it, which will probably be right after I finish filming this video. So I will know sooner than soon. Moving on to our monthly spread, I actually pulled out, I believe this deco sheet is actually called Mother's Day from the Sweet Planner, and I saw this, actually the inspiration for this came from this collection from Paper Trail Plans. I wanted to use this floral collection, and so I have the bouquets, the washi trims, which I have said it before, I'll say it again. I am obsessed with the solid washi strips, and then the kiss cut or contour cut. I've been in such a habit of saying kiss cut for so long, but found out recently, after years and years of saying this completely wrong, kiss cut just means not cutting all the way through the paper. So the fact that it's essentially sticker cut is what makes it kiss cut, because you're just lifting up the top part of it and not slicing all the way through the backing. Contour cut is cutting around the shape. And so I've been saying kiss cut all this time, only to find out recently that no, the actual term is supposed to be contour cut. Mind blown. So I have the long contour cut washi trims with the florals, which are stunning. And I really loved the colors of these florals. The yellow just felt so appropriate for May. The yellow and the pinks together, it felt bright and springy and just really, really fun. And so, and then I was going through that, I was like, oh, that Mother's Day deco sheet from the Sweet Planner will pair so perfectly with these florals because the colors are pink and yellow and green as well. And so I had a couple of these deco sheets because your girl has no chill. And when I shop for deco sheets with the Sweet Planner, I like to stock up because look at how cute all of the images on this are. It's going to just like give me so much fun things to play with as I'm decorating my monthly spread. Also pulled out this deco sheet, and I don't remember the name of this one, but I loved the purse and the perfume. I felt like the images on here were really good to pair with this also, and definitely the right color palette. So excited about doing my monthly spread for the month of May because I think this is going to be very, very pretty and girly and dainty and all the things that make my planner heart happy. Moving on to our first week, which is like the last week of April, because May 1st starts on a Sunday, but it's in the month May section of this planner. So it is officially the first week of May. And so I'm using this gorgeous kit. This is the Le Jardin kit from Hello Petite Paper. I pray I'm not butchering that name too badly. And this kit is so stunning. I recently hauled this kit and I haven't been shopping internationally, so this is me kind of branching back out to international shopping ever since the pandemic, which is so exciting because, oh my goodness, I am in love with this kit. Seriously, this bottom washi. When I saw this when I was doing my haul, I freaked out over that bottom washi. It's so gorgeous. And so I'm really looking forward to using this kit. I love the fact that I also have the journaling kit. I've got some more floral deco on the way, so that should be here hopefully in time for me to use it to plan this kit. because the shipping actually, despite it being international, came super quickly. And then I also pulled out these fashion dolls, which I thought would pair well with this, because it's got kind of that bluey purple color palette happening in the kit, and then also in these fashion dolls and their outfits. It's this girl here. I really love her outfit, and she feels very springy. I think it might be her. I don't know. I also like this girl. She's so businessy and like Olivia Popish. But the color of her blazer is like a perfect match to these florals. So we'll see what happens. I think this might be the fashion doll I decide to use. But as always, when it comes to deciding on my fashion dolls way too early in advance, I learned the hard way that once it comes down to like that actual week, I sometimes change my mind. So I don't feel bad about changing my mind about the fashion doll the week of. Moving into the second week of May, which is the first like full week of May, which starts on the 2nd. I'm using the Delicate kit from Saucy Stickers Co. I have not used a kit from Saucy Stickers in quite some time, so I'm really excited for this one. It is so beautiful. The colors are really different from anything I've been using for a while. This like taupey, almost olive undertoned taupe shade. It's so stunning. And then you have the beautiful peaches and the pink. The color palette on this kit is just so beautiful and refreshing and different, and it's going to be a lot of fun to play around with to give me something that looks different. I love that feeling as I'm flipping through my planner from one spread to the next of each of the spreads looking, having a different mood than the spread that came before it. That feels really good to me and something I enjoy as I'm flipping through. Oh, I did pull dolls for this. Okay, so because this has such a light and different color palette, I was thinking this girl in her little white dress would be fun to pair with this. Let's hold this up to the full boxes. And then also she's got a little bit of green in the strap of her purse and then on her shoes. I think it might be this girl. We'll see. Again, the fashion dolls are not set in stone. There will be a fashion doll. I just don't know if it's going to be this one. But at the moment, she feels right. But I don't know, because there's something very sort of ethereal about this with the girl with the butterfly wings. And so whatever fashion doll I use, I definitely want to try to capture the mood of this kit when I'm creating my sidebar. So hopefully I can figure that out. And by the second week of May, as I sit down to plan this spread, and I'll go from there. Moving on to the third week of May, we have this beautiful kit from Missing Me Out. This is the Blooming City kit, and I've been waiting for May so that I could use this kit. When I first saw it, I just thought it was the most adorable thing. I love the colors, and this feels like it's, again, very bright, very spring, but also like really good as we're getting towards like the middle of May when the weather starts warming up. And okay, I'm knocking over stickers. That's so very Tay. The weather starts warming up and you start thinking about summer and getting out, and even though it's not quite summer yet, it starts feeling really nice out and there's all sorts of fun things to do. Hopefully I'll have like fun plans and be doing something interesting. I know I have like some stuff coming up in May, like actually doing some things, so maybe it will be this week and I'll be like, look how perfect this kit is because I did fun things. Which is like seriously definitely been like the biggest challenge lately, trying to figure out having a personal life and doing things on my weekends, which I used to spend my weekends just editing. And so it's definitely decreased the volume of Plan With Me videos I've been able to produce because I have a social life now. The pandemic we're past the quarantine phase of the pandemic, and so it's like I go places and I do things on weekends, and it ruins the amount of time I would normally spend filming and editing. Okay, so the dolls that I pulled two different sheets, and these were definitely inspired by the fashion doll that's in the kit, and the top that she's wearing is off the shoulder tiered top with really cute sleeves. And so the first thing I pulled was like this sheet because I was like, well, those tops are very, very similar to the top that she's wearing in this kit, and then also with the shorts. And so I was like, okay, perfect. There's yellow in this kit, but it's a very soft butter yellow. And I was a little concerned of like, oh, is that going to be too bright, or will the butter yellow in this kit help kind of tone down what's happening with the yellow on this girl's top, and it just like mesh and match and just look fabulous? I don't know. Or do I want to go in like a totally different direction and bring in the white top and have it pair with the kit that way? I'm not sure. There's also really pretty blues in this kit. And so I pulled out this one. Again, we've got really fun, roughly detailed tops, the off the shoulder here. Even that ruffle top is super cute. Actually, even like the plaid one. So I feel like all of these dolls kind of fit the mood of this kit in terms of being very warm weather attire and super fun. So again, I'll wait till I sit down to plan that spread the week of, and I will make a decision based on what's happening in the sidebar, and something is going to fit, but I'm pretty sure the doll that I use will be from one of these 2 sticker sheets. So stinking cute. I love all of their outfits. Her outfit is adorable. Then moving into the 4th week of May, we have the Under the Tuscan Sun kit from Two Little Bees. And I have Lauren's beautiful freebie, which it matches. Tons of gorgeous deco. I am super excited about using this kit. And I feel like it's going to be a good follow to that Missing Meow. Totally different shift in the color palette. That kit was foiled in gold. This one's foiled in rose gold. And this one leads so much more purple and green, whereas that was all pink and yellow and blue. And that's just going to give me just such nice variety, shifting from like one mood to the next. I love that I have the journaling kit to pair with this because there's so many fun shapes on here. And I've been seeing people do some really cute things with some of these torn edges from journaling shapes and like putting them in the month section and in the corners of the page. And I'm like, ooh, that could be fun to try something that's like totally different for my date cover deco or sort of just like the framing and foundation of how I set up the page. That could be a really fun opportunity to just get really creative there. So, oh, and then especially because I also have the floral trims, because she did the long contour cut floral trims for this kit, or for the deco sheet. I'm not, because I don't remember if this was an add-on to the kit itself or an add-on to like the journaling sheet. If it was in the journaling section of her website. Either way, it's paired with the Under the Tuscan Sun kit. So this is wonderful. And I love this because this gives me like so many fun things to work with. So yeah, this is going to be a great spread. I love that it's purple paired with rose gold foil, which is my favorite color combination for kits that have purple in them. I love them paired with rose gold. I did not pull a fashion doll for this one, and I probably won't, because one of the things I've really enjoyed doing with Two Little Bees kits is creating little scenes using the clip art that she provides on her clip art add-on sheet. And so what I'll probably do is create a scene in the sidebar using some of this clip art. That's my thought as of right now. If that changes, then a fashion doll shall be pulled, should there be one who just screams, I'm perfect for this kit, pick me, pick me. So if that happens, you'll know, because you'll see it and you'll be like, oh, there was a fashion doll that was all pick me, and Tay changed her mind. There is one more week in this month section, in the month of May, and I have not pulled a kit for it. And the reason I haven't pulled a kit for it is because I have some kits on the way that I think are going to be perfect for this week, and I just don't have them yet. So I didn't want to pull out a kit and just like say, oh, well, this is the kit I'll potentially use for this week, when I know there's just a high probability that whatever kit I have right now in my stash that I might consider for this week is just definitely going to change. This is the last week right before we go into June, and even though technically I don't think summer starts till like the end of June, like it's usually like the 21st or 22nd is when seasons change. So it's like not like until that 3rd week. It doesn't matter for me. Once we get to June, my brain starts going, grab all your summer kits. And so for this spread, I really want to choose a kit that's got that nice transition feel from spring to summer. And I don't know what that's going to be yet, so I don't want to rush it or try to pick something right now, knowing that I'm definitely going to change my mind as we get towards the end of the month. So Thank you all for joining me for another monthly kit lineup video. I hope you enjoyed this. I would love to know what kits you're planning to use for the month of May. So you can go ahead and leave that in the comments below if you would like, or if you enjoy sharing your monthly kit lineup on Instagram, please feel free to tag me so I can check it out and like and comment. I hope you're all having an amazing day, and I will see you next video. Bye.